Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Annmakes. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below the video description, in the video description there, or on the Annmakes in the corner of the screen. And don't forget to click on that bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Today I do have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with you, a US Dollar Tree haul that is. Over the weekend my husband and I drove across the border about 2.5 hours away from us. We went up to upstate New York in Watertown, and we had a great time there. It was Black Friday, Thanksgiving weekend in the US, and we went there to take advantage of the many sales going on, and we did very good. So, and one of the places that I stopped at, of course, was a Dollar Tree. I went there specifically because I wanted to look for things that I have not seen in my Dollar Tree here. And I did find some things. I didn't spend a lot of money, not as much as I would spend at home, because a lot of the stuff there I've seen in our stores and I've hauled already. But here are some of the things I found and I was really happy about. I found these bows. So you get 3 of these gift bows. They're nice bows. They have the sticky backs on them, so they're great for gift presentation. And they come 3 on a pack here. They had these in red and gold. My gold ones got folded over. That's nice gold. And blue. Then silver. And yeah, so those are the colors they had, and I think I got 2 of each of those. Thought those would be nice for my gift giving and maybe some other crafts also. Now, one of the things I looked at, well, I looked at everything that there was in that Dollar Tree. I did do all the aisles, but like I said, a lot of this stuff was already stuff that I've seen here, but I was just looking for things I couldn't find here. And one thing I saw that is new to me are these stickers by Jot. They are metallic stickers, and they, I have to say, they do a really good job of looking like metal. I mean, if it didn't say sticker and you didn't really like go and touch them, you'd think they are metal. So these are really, I think these are really well made. And so I got this design, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So yeah, so I'm pretty pleased about that. If I sound a little different today, it's because I am getting over a cold. I came back from our trip and I felt really sick. I had a really bad cold, and I'm sure I still have the cold, although I am feeling much better. Yeah, so that's why I see them. Yeah, I'm like, oh, I'm not that attractive. That's for sure. I saw these little kitty cat keychains, something I've seen other people haul, but I've never seen at my stores. So I got this one, little kitty cat keychain, and of course I found one black one, so I got the black one too. So pretty happy about that. And they had some really cute miniatures for like Christmas village miniatures, fairy gardens, and so I got this one. And I love how tiny they are. And this one. And I also did find a couple stocking stuffers, so I will get those for you. So something I had not seen at my Dollar Tree and I was hoping to find were the Nickelodeon little figurines. I was only able to find SpongeBob and Patrick, but these are gonna go in my son's stocking for Christmas. And I also picked up these little games, and this one is the Game of Meme, and it's a memes. It's a game of meme. They talk about memes all the time. So I got this. I got two of these, one for each of my boys for their stocking, and I got this one for my husband, and it says "We love movies." So just these little boxed games. I just thought they'd be cute in their stockings. And I did buy some snacks and candy and stuff that was to eat in the car, and some drinks, but yeah, that's all I got at the Dollar Tree. I know it's very small compared to my other hauls, but like I said, I was just looking for things that I had not seen at home, or that I didn't and that I wanted. There was a lot of things I saw there that I didn't see at home, but I really had no need for that. So that's all I got. And I just wanted to give you a little update on my little Christmas tree. This is my little white Christmas tree setup that I made from two little white Dollar Tree Christmas trees. And the ornaments that I have in there were mostly purchased at Dollarama. The birds and the hearts I got at Valentine's Day at Valentine's Day time at Dollarama last year, and the little birds I recently purchased at Dollarama. The garlands are actually children's dress-up necklaces that are available in a set of 3 at Dollar Tree. And my angel at the top is also an ornament meant to hang from Dollarama that I rigged up on the Christmas tree. And I'm just going to bring the camera closer so you can see exactly, you could get a better idea of how I put this all together. So I hope you can see this, but what I did here is I actually took 2 Christmas trees from Dollar Tree, and what I did is I took 2 trees. I basically flattened out 2 trees. I put all the branches on one side of each tree, and then I squished them together and I connected them with zip ties. Try to bring the camera in a little closer so you can see that. If you can see the zip ties there. So the 2 trees are held together with white zip ties. The skirt at the bottom of the tree there, let's see, this little white skirt here, is actually a 12 by 12 piece of felt from a Cricut that I cut into a circle shape. I just used a compass and a pencil, and I just traced the biggest circle I could on the felt, cut it out, and then I cut a slit in the back. Well, I just cut a slit halfway through the circle, and I cut a little circle in the center for the tree itself. So that's it. That's all it is. It's just a piece of felt that I cut myself with, scissors, and I made that little skirt. And the angel, I want to show you, this is an ornament. You can see the little string is still here and the little loopy thing. But what I did is, when I put these 2 trees together, for the base part, when you buy these little trees at Dollar Tree, you get these little plastic feet and a little base. But I have 2 trees, so what I did, I'm trying to turn this around for you so you can see how I assemble that. I have the 2 trees tied together with the zip ties, and I have one of the trees sticking down into the little plastic base there that comes with the one tree, and I attached the little feet like I was assembling one tree. But what I did is that I didn't use the pieces of the second tree from the base. I left those off, and then what I did is with one of the bases I hot glued it to the bottom of the angel here. So this is the part where the stem, the tree trunk would go into. So I have the angel's bum there sitting in the cavity of this, and this is where the tree stump would go into, and the feet would go like this. So I have that like that, and then I just use the top branch here to go up the bottom of the angel. I know it sounds awful, but it works. And that's how I get the angel to stay up there. Of course, I'm on camera, so it's not cooperating. Yeah, so I get 2 branches. There we go. And oh, but now she's like a little. Okay. All right. So there's my angel, and I also put lights in. There's one set of lights, and there's the other set of lights. So I used a little glass snowball light strings from Dollarama, and I put 2 in the little tree. And here's a tip for you. Don't do like I did. I forgot to put the lights on till the very end. So I had to start over. Anyway, so put the lights first before you put the garland and the ornaments. And here's my little skirt that I made out of felt. See, just a circle with a circle in the center and a slit like that. And I made my little tree skirt like so. And that's my little Christmas tree for my studio this year. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, please comment, please share. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So until next time, stay crafty. Bye.